Hi, I'm Alicia and this is Healthy Humane Living, and today I'm going to introduce you to the best mashed potatoes I've ever tasted. And they were inspired by my friend Virginia, who works for this amazing restaurant in Copenhagen in Denmark. And they recently opened up a plant-based restaurant called Angelica. And the first thing I turned to were these creamy mashed potatoes. And the chef in charge of Angelica is one of the best chefs in all of the world, so why wouldn't I take his advice about it? Well, turns out they're super easy to make, and they're some of the best mashed potatoes that you'll ever have, and I'm going to show you how to do it the quick and easy way. So the first thing I'm going to start out with, because I'm really a lazy cook, is I have these hash browns. I get mine at Trader Joe's, but you can get yours anywhere. Then I'm just going to put them into my pot. And there is about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 cups here. And then, of course, turn on the oven, the stove rather. And I am going to cover them with some soy milk. And you can use any plant-based milk that you like. But if you've ever had a hot flash, then you might be inclined to try some soy milk. So I've got those covered. Now, this calls for 2 tablespoons of leeks, and as you can see, I have already chopped those up. It just calls for the whites, but I did the greens and the whites, and that's because why waste the greens? So I'm gonna put that in there and get all the little ones out. And then last but not least, it calls for 2 cloves of garlic, but I like to do a little bit more. I'm just gonna stick with the 2 cloves right now. But I will, have to see how that tastes. I might have to put some more in there. And then all you have to do is wait for it to start cooking and boiling. And since that's pretty boring, I will just cut back to you when we are closer to getting it done. In the meantime,